Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn count number of days between two dates, start date and termination date. If termination date is not available, the formula will auto calculate, will auto consider today's date and minus start date and count number of days. Okay, these are the formula. It is the formula here. It is only for your reference. We will do example here, but remember that the formula, the format cell of category is general. This formula will apply if the format cell category is general. If you are using this formula, make this format category general. We start example here. Start date 1st December 2021, but termination date in this example we consider nothing is available. Termination date is not available. Then formula will consider automatically today's date and continuous and change it accordingly day by day. How can we use this formula? Let's start. Equal to, when any formula used in Excel we use equal to sign. If this cell is equal to 0, comma today, bracket open, bracket close. The purpose of today is today's date. Excel will consider today's date minus today's date minus start date. Okay, today's date minus start date, it means we find difference. Today's date 11th December and start date is 1st December. 11 minus 1st is equal to 10. It's one formula, one condition, comma if date is available here, then this minus this. If date is available there, then this minus this, bracket close. Okay, enter. Termination date is not available here, therefore it consider automatically today's date 11th December. 11th December minus 1st December is equal to 10 days. Okay, we make another example. Start date is 1st December 2021 and termination date is 5th December 2021. Okay, we just copy this formula and paste. 5 December minus 1st December, 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Okay, we again edit this formula, we again use this formula to remember how to apply this formula. We just use equal to sign. We use if because we have condition if termination date is available or if termination date is not available. These are conditions, therefore we use if. If this cell is equal to 0, comma today, bracket open, bracket close, minus this. If this cell is equal to 0, if this cell is equal to 0, then today's date consider minus this date B15, comma if today's date is available, then today's date minus termination date minus start date. If termination date is available, then is termination date minus start date, bracket close, enter. 1st December minus 5th December is equal to 4th is equal to 4 days. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. If we do 9th December 202, then 8 days. Start date 5th May 2021 and termination date 5th December 2021. Then just copy this formula and paste in remaining cells. 5th December minus 5th May is equal to 214 days. We use another example. 5th May 2021, we just copy this cell, or we use Ctrl D. The upper date will copy and paste below. We use Ctrl D. Termination date is not available. It will consider formula automatically today's date and calculate number of days. Okay, if we here 11th 10th December, it will auto calculate. If we here 11 December 2021, 200 days, the result showing that if termination date is not available, it will auto calculate, consider today's date and calculate number of days. Hopefully you like this video and it is helpful for you to understand how to count number of days in Excel. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.